Guys, what's up, guys? In today's Animal Company, we're gonna be doing a public server, and where's my watch? What? What? What the? Bro, I am not modding. I swear to God. Where the heck is my watch? Anyways, I have like beef with Mr. Joe. Like.
Wants to go get a skinwalker.
Keeps up.
Okay, how long?
Skinwalker.
It's almost a
2,000.
minute, by the way. Not a skinwalker.
800. So,
Oh, dang!
we'll buy a flashlight. And
That's it.
we'll buy firework. Cause we're gonna go to the secret, the thing that has like a fish, like a secret fish. And we're going all by myself, no one else. And I'm gonna teach you how to get there. Where is the exit? Where is the blah blah blah? And that's how you get a lot of money. It gives you like 1,000.
Alright,
Plus
I'm
with-
at the fish part.
Okay, see what
Alright?
Yeah.
Then I'm coming.
Let me go here. So you have to go down the sewers. The reason why I have a rocket, you'll find out.
Bro, I hope the mimic isn't here.
Bro, what? Guys, the red light, green light guy is bugged.
Go up. Yo,
What'd you say?
are you in the parkour?
No, I'm in the red light, green light part, and it's like frozen. Oh no! Ow! I just hit something. Gold! Robbies! Yo, I wish I could kill this dude.
You hold it up here. Hello, can people hear me?
Yes, I could hear you.
Go, bro, that's sick.
Let's go. How did I die? What? Bro, what? This makes no sense. I lost my rocket! Oh my god, I'm a speedrun now. What? Bro, you serious? What is happening? Bro! Guys, there's a serious bug in what the? Oh my god, it's worth so much money.
Alright, what's the code? What's the code?
What the? Thank you for free backpacks. I was just gonna buy one. Bro, you stole my bike!
1.5.
I have a backpack. And that's literally...
I literally got sticks. I literally got sticks. I literally got sticks. Literally got sticks. Literally got sticks. Literally got sticks. Okay, I hope it doesn't bug this time. Ooh, how much money did we make? $4. Let's go. I forgot to bring a flashlight. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay, I guess can someone come with me? Cause I didn't bring a flashlight. Can someone come with me? I didn't bring a flashlight. Ooh. Oh.
Go to sewers. I don't want to come to sewers.
I'm in
We're in sewers.
I'm in sewers. I'm in sewers.
Who wants to go to the sewer? Red light, green light, monster. Mine.
I'm in, bro. Hold on, what? Oh, let's see. What color is that? It's light green and purple. Hold up, cause my... Let me try that. Ow! Yo, light green and purple. Let's go. Can you follow me, please? Cause I didn't bring a flashlight.
A bet. You're going to zero gravity, right?
Oh, go! The mimic's there! We. Okay. Ugh. I literally have sticks, bro.
Achoo. I cannot die. I have a ruby in my backpack right now. No, no.
Oh! Oh my god, if I die, I could just go up. No! Yo, the clutch!
Oh my-
The clutch is
Yo,
saving!
that clutch though.
Oh my god.
Dude, imagine I just fall.
That's
Don't
crazy.
jinx it. Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it. Just okay. Don't say anything about falling, cause that could come. That could really be happening right now.
Wee. Wait for me! I feel like I'm in a.
Speedrun. Speedrun. Speedrun.
Let's go.
Speedrun. Come on.
Let's go.
I didn't make it last time. Yes! Dude, did you know I'm top 10 branches? I mean, no, not top 10.
What?
Top 5 branches.
Okay, we're
Really
gonna.
bad.
Do you know where to go?
I was in.
We go over here,
Which way?
this way,
Right.
and then turn over here. And then we jump over there. I dropped my backpack. Oh, I swear to God. I hope no!
What the?
Yeah.
I almost hit the tentacle.
Yo, where's my backpack? Oh, hold up. Yo, I like that.
Wait for me, bro. Wait for me. Let me grab these.
Bro, where's my backpack? Okay. it's right
Just
here.
I want to grab these little nuggets.
Let's leave a surprise for.
Wait, let me
Need to
take.
find-
Where's the eyeball? Oh, so if I touch this. Oh! I did it! Oh my god. It's okay. I almost died though.
No more flashlight.
Okay, I got two.
Okay, let's
Okay. I just need to go somewhere. This is a little
Yo,
stupid
wait, we need the
tentacles.
flashlight so we can distract the angler. There's little.
Wait, why we need flashlight again? You keep the flashlight. I only have two golden stuff.
Can someone come down to the sewer with the flash? Jump up! I have a flash. Go to sewers. Can someone come to sewers? I repeat, can someone come to
Is it
sewers?
tentacle?
We're
Yeah,
we're
there's
cooked.
tentacles.
No, look over here, over here,
Where?
over here.
Ah!
Over here, look.
I can't. Bro, where you going? Okay, I'm
Go.
coming.
No.
Oh my god, bro. This is not
Can someone
nightmare.
come down to sewers?
Ah!
Dude.
Let me get close to this. Let me go up. No, we don't have to touch go.
What the hell was that?
Bro, if I die, I'm not coming all the way back, bro. It'll take like 15 minutes. Ow, 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 I'm about to die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, wait for me, bro. Yo, wait for me.
Your body can touch your yak can touch the lava. Just
Like
not your
what?
hand.
Oh, ow, I heard
Try
something.
to raw one. Raw
Ugh.
here, like.
Bro, is there any...
I thought you were your. I'm cooked. I'm not cooked.
Bro, like, why did people have to die in this? Oh my god, it makes me a nightmare. So if I go through that, there's like a billion tentacles over there.
Or go over here. I got an idea.
I don't want to
I
die.
don't got an idea.
Every time I just need to die. And every... Okay, so if I go down there... then I just go.
Okay, look, hang on this.
Woo.
Okay. No!
Bro, there is no way I died.
I'm joking.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I don't.
Ah, I hate you.
Oh,
Hey, bro,
Hey,
buy
chill
one
out.
of these.
I'm gonna spend my money on rockets
Hey,
and
bro,
then
hey,
go
bro.
back.
Hey,
Yo, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. It take like 5 minutes. Unless a little chitty. So if I just people say if I go over here,
A little tiny.
and
Who
then I
has
go
a
over here,
flashlight and can they come down?
and then if I go over here, hold on, let me drop my flashlight.
Make sure no one kills me when I get there, cause I know
Yeah,
they
they
like to
fixed
grief.
this. They patched this. Okay, so
Mimics?
where am I going?
What happened? Mimics camping the entrance? No. We just don't have a flashlight. I'm just joking, I'm joking.
Ooh,
Bro,
it's
why are
like-
you so mean?
Oh my god, I think I found a bug.
Joking, I said, but I get.
Alright, I'm gonna leave. Sorry,
What if I
bye.
go up here?
Yes,
If I go up here, what's gonna happen? Wait, let me drop my flashlight. Oh! What's over here? Wait! Guys, I think I found like multiple bugs. What am I in right now? What the? Oh my god! Yo, guys, I think I found a bug. Hold up, let me get my. I think I lost where I went. I think I went over here, and I just. No, I can't get back.
Yo, are you 7 years old? Cause I was sending.
Bro,
Bro, can someone come down, please?
I'm stuck.
Can someone come down to the mimic? The first place where he spawned?
Wait, what if I? What happens if I get out the map? It's not gonna be an issue. What can I just do that? Oh my god.
Oh! And my brother taught me how to trip.
Ow! What's over here? So if I go over here and then just do this, there's a lot of stuff. So if I jump down here, oh god, I'm not gonna make. No!
Oh?
I died. Well, that's one bug. And that's like 3 bugs right there. So, yeah, guys, I must be a modder in this game because
Just be.
I found like 50 bugs in this game. So yeah, if
That's
you
how
can
I
fix
talk.
that, that'll be amazing.
Other
'Cause-
guy.
and also search it on YouTube.
We'll
Bugs
be waiting
on
at the.
YouTube. And yeah,
We'll be waiting
if I could
at
be a
the,
modder,
okay,
it will be fixing bugs, bro. Because these bugs are
So,
just
like,
dead as me.
past the red light, green light monster, alright?
Okay, I'm
Past the.
leaving. I need to take a. Bro, why is my mic on? Yeah, hello.
Guys, I'm going to sewer.
Okay, goodbye. I'm gonna take
Wait for me.
a shit, and then I'm gonna.
Bring a
I'm gonna
flashlight,
take
bring
a
a flashlight.